Hey guys, it's Jordan Byers, and today I'm going to walk you through how to apply lashes with no liner, just the magnetic lash and anchors. So we have the beautiful model Mia demonstrating for us today. All you have to do is take your lash and place it right on top of your real lash, and then magnetize the anchors to each individual magnet on the bottom of the lash. So you're basically sandwiching your real lashes with the false lash and then the mini individual magnets that are called anchors underneath. So you don't even really have to use the magnetic liner. So if you like the lash extension type look and just don't want to wear liner, this is a great option for you. A little tip, if you're having a hard time applying the lash with only anchors, I definitely recommend that you take the felt tip liner and draw like the thinnest line possible along your lash line, just so that the lash has something to hold on to before you go ahead and place all your lash anchors. So you still get the look of not actually wearing liner because the lash is going to cover that teeny tiny little line anyway, but this little tip makes it easier. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to us down below and give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!